Hey, one other question is somebody just simply asked, how can we get in touch with you? And I'm going to give a few things where you can get in touch with the project. But best way to get in touch with you, Harvey, is it LinkedIn, or how should people get in touch with Arcube?
Yeah, LinkedIn. I mean, they can go to my LinkedIn profile, hit me up from there, or they could go to arcube.org. We have a contact form there, and also on arcube.io, which is the marketplace where we launched the Etihad sale from. So you can go to either of those to contact Arcube, and we'll get back to you pretty soon, really. Yeah.
Okay, very good.
And if I can add, Harvey, if anybody of your audience is interested in joining our Discord or our Twitter channel, we have a very active Discord channel, I think, with over 8,000 members. Our Twitter channel is also quite active too. So yeah.
Yeah, I think we have a slide. Let's just throw that up real quick, right there on the screen. So if you wanna go to the Discord, and you can join the Discord there at discord.gg Etihad, and Twitter Etihad NFT. And those are correct, right?
Yep, that's correct.
Perfect. Yep. Very good. All right, very good. Well, good. So reach out to Etihad, follow the Discord. You'll learn about events. You'll learn about different things happening. Now, I promised at the top of this broadcast that I would bring a couple other things up. So if you guys will just hang tight for me a minute, I want to tell the users a little bit about some other opportunities they might have to be able to learn more about blockchain and about digital in the industry. I have very actively been doing webinars, and I've been speaking at different conferences and events.